Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we will learn lesson 34. Sağolashlar yaxshimisizlar? Endi shu bizning oldin qatim o'rgangan 33-darsning davomi, yana 34-dars. What are they doing? Okay, what are they doing? Ular nima ish qilyapti degan dars o'qiymiz. Xo'sh, undaqda avval shu darsimizdagi bir necha ham so'zlarni o'rganib chiqaylik. Birinchisi nima desanglar? Sleep. Okay, sleep. Okay, sleep. Alright. Hamda ma so'zabroq o'qiymiz nima? Sleep. Good. Ana sleep deganimiz nima desanglar? Uxlamoq. Okay, hamma qaranglar. U maqbola nima ish qilyapti? Okay, he is sleeping now. Okay, he is sleeping now. U hozir qanday qilyapti? Uxlayapti. He is sleeping now. Okay. And that where do you sleep? Okay. Where qayerda do you sleep? Do degan yerdan chiqib oldingi keng darslarimiz bilan so'zlaymiz. Where do you sleep? Siz nerede uxlaysiz? Okay, siz nerede uxlaysiz? Demakchi. Nerede armalsiz? Shunami? Okay, where is he sleeping? Okay, endi men yari he's sleeping dedik, shunami? U uxlayapti. Endi buni alohida savol jumlaga aylantirsak, where is he sleep? Where deganimiz qayer emasmi? U nerede uxlayapti? Yana he is sleeping in the bedroom. Okay. U nerede uxlayapti? In the bedroom. Bedroom deganimiz yotoq qo'y, shunami? U yotoq qo'yda uxlayapti. Endi savodashlar topinglar. U mehmonxonada uxlayapti. He is sleeping in the living room. Okay, living room deganimiz nima? Mehmonxona. Mehmonxona. Shunami? Okay, and the mashqisi they aren't sleeping. Okay, ular ana bilan bola qanday qilmoqda? Uxlamayapti. Shunami? They aren't sleeping. Okay, they aren't sleeping. Ular uxlamayapti. Demak, sleep degan uxlamoq, shunami? Amsa men uxlayapman desak nima deymiz savodashlar? Dabaqlar? Okay, dabaqlar, men uxlayapman. I am sleeping. Okay. Undaqda siz nima ish qilyapsiz degan nima deydi? Siz nima ish qilyapsiz? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Siz nima ish qilyapsiz? What are you doing? Okay. Men uxlayapman. I am sleeping. U uxlayapti. He is sleeping. Agar u qizcha qolib qolsa, she is sleeping. Okay. Next one is shave. Okay. Shave. O'tir nima? Air ekan u. Shave. Good. Shave. Okay. So what is he doing? Okay. What is he doing? Sadoshlar, u nima ish qilyapti? Okay. He is shaving now. All right. He is shaving now. U qanday qilyapti? Saqilini elayapti. He is shaving now. Okay, he is shaving now. So does he shave every morning? Okay. Does he shave every morning? U ertaga saqilini olamdi? Okay, endi men oddiy hozir qilaman ekan. Mazmunni oldin kirgizib qo'ydik, sizlarning iddiaga tayyorlik bo'lsin deb. Yana bir necha darsdan keyin biz shu zamon ustida to'xtalamiz. U har kun saqilni olamdi. Demak, hamda odatga aylangan ishlarga nisbatan shuni ishlatamiz. Masalan, burunmi qilgan, hozirmi qilgan, ham kelgusida qilgan. Demak, u saqilni olamdi. Does he shave every morning? Okay. Okay, who is shaving in the bathroom? Okay, in the bathroom deganimiz nima desanglar? Tozliq qo'yish, nima? Who is shaving in a bathroom? Okay, tozliq qo'ydi. Kim saqal elayotdi? Demak, men alohida savol aylandim. Who is, shnama? Who is shaving in a bathroom? Tozliq qo'ydi. Kim saqal elayotdi? Who is shaving in a bathroom? Okay. All right, next one is cry. Cry. Okay, cry. Okay, and a cry. So look at those pictures. What are they doing? Ular nima ish qilyapti? What are they doing? Desa, nima ish qilyapti? They are crying. Okay, they are crying. And the savol chekla, are they crying now? Are they crying now? Ular yig'lawatamdu? Yes, they are. No, bossjo. No, they aren't. They aren't crying now. Ular yig'lamayapti. Lekin ular qanday aytibdi? Yig'layapti deb jar o'moqlar. They are crying. They are crying. Yeah, yes, they are. They are crying now. Okay, the baby doesn't cry at night. Okay, the baby doesn't cry. Qilmaydi, nimishqa? Yig'lamaydi at night. Bu kechalari u buvoq yig'lamaydi demakchi, davomli shu ishning bo'lmaydiganligini bildirdi. Hargiz bir kecha emas. Har kecha. Har kuni kecha. Demakchi, har kecha bu buvoq qanday qilmaydi ekan, yig'lamaydi ekan. The baby doesn't cry at night. Buvoq kechada qanday qilmaydi? Yig'lamaydi. Demak, cry, yig'lamoq. Okay, crying, yig'layotidi. Okay, she is crying. He is crying too. U yig'layotidi. Demak, they are crying. Demak, ular yig'layotidi. U yig'layotidi, u yig'layotidi. Demak, ular yig'layotidi. Shunami? He is crying. He is crying too. They are crying. Cry, cry. All right, next one is wash. 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 Okay. Ara wash yumaq. Shunami? Wash. Deganimiz nima bo'ldi? Yumaq. Masalan, she's washing her face. Okay? She's washing her face. U qanday qilyapti? Yuzini yuvayotdi. Okay? She is washing her face. Okay? And the matter, is he washing the car? All right, look, is he washing the car? U mashinani yuvatamdi? Yes, he is. He is washing the car. U mashinani yuvatdi. Is he washing the car? Yes, he is. He is washing the car. Yo'q, u mashinani yumayotdi. So, he isn't washing the car. Okay, he isn't washing the car. U mashinani yumayotdi. Yo'q, u mashinani yumayotdi. He isn't washing the car. All right, wash. And the matter, bu bola nima ish qilyapti bola? Bu bola opsi bilan billa qanday qilyapti? Kir yuvayapti. Okay, and the billa degan nima bo'lgan ekan toq? With. Shunami? With degan billa, with his mother. Amsa baqla u opsi bilan kir yuvayapti. Shunami? He is washing clothes with his mother. Yaxshi. He is washing clothes with his mother. Okay. And u bola debdi nima debdi? I am washing the clothes with my mother. Okay. Men opam bilan billa kiyim-kechak yuyapman. I am washing the clothes. Okay, the clothes with my mother. Demek, men opam bilan billa kiyim-kechak yuyapman. Amsa men opam bilan billa kiyim-kechak yuyatamdim desak savolga aylanishi. Am I washing the clothes with my mother? Siz yuvasiz. Yes, you are. Why yo'q, siz yumayapsiz. No, you aren't. Demak, you are not. Okay, you are not. Demak, I'm the wash. Okay, demak, yumaq. And wash her face. Face deganimiz nima? Yuz. Yuzini yumaq. Washing her face. Washing clothes posture. The clothes kiyim-kechak. Kiyim-kechaklarni qanday qilmoq? Yumaq. Demak, bola wash meyadi nima? Yumaq.